I'll be leaving soon. I'll be headed north, though I don't know where, I don't know what for. I'll be leaving soon. I'll be moving fast, and I'll be running hard, though I can't say how long, I can't say how far. I'll be leaving soon, 'cause that road pulls on me far away from Tennessee to big sky and evergreen trees. I'll be flying free, and I'll be growing up. I've been chained too tight, enough is enough, and I'll be leaving soon. 'Cause that road pulls on me far away from Tennessee to big sky and evergreen trees. I'll be on my own. Suppose that's nothing new, nothing holding back, and nothing to lose. I'll be leaving soon, 'cause that road pulls me far away from Tennessee to big sky, evergreen trees. That road pulls on me, and I'll be leaving soon.
Oh, Brother Thomas, did you walk away from Jesus, wondering if it was all a dream? Did all your doubts creep back and tell you that your fingers hadn't ever touched a single thing? 'Cause I've read that story so many times, when you healed that man and he could see perfectly again. But in between it reads that all he saw were ministries, and that's all that seems to cloud my vision. 'Cause all the friends I have never, ever met you. Does that mean that they deserve to die? But I heard once that you came here as love for all of us, not to pull the wood from out of our eyes. My mother, she was always working in the yard, growing life from your sun and from her dirt. So I would read those words, but nothing ever seemed to grow except my lonely brother's hurt. Oh, holy preacher, did you ever think that maybe there is more to life than dying in a pew? Isn't this whole world just hell enough for all of us? Do you have to murder them for all the things they do? 'Cause all the friends I know have never, ever heard you speak, and I know that when you speak it brings up life. So would you pretty please come speak to all of them and me, growing us collectively into your wife? So lead me to the mountain, write it out on those stone tablets, what it is that you decide's the truth. But I think I want my hands to bleed from loving, not from condemning. Yeah, isn't love what he would have us do? 'Cause all my friends and I, yeah, we have stolen, we have lied, and we have looked upon